Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZSAN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and volume well above average volume. The problem is, in trading jargon, this is what we would call a gap and trap that occurred today. So if you're new to trading, what is a gap and trap? Well, on Tuesday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened right there. So this was a gap, and to be more specific, a gap up, because the price opened well above where it had closed previously. And then the market opened up. The price came up to here. Some poor souls were buying up around there. And then from that point, down she went and wiped away all the gains from the gap up and then just kept on going down. But what makes this very interesting is this latter part of the day where you can see some nice upwards price movement here. And then also the location of the upwards movement is right here at that purple line, which, in the world of charts is a very well-known area known as the 50-period moving average. In fact, if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see it act as support. So yes, today was very bearish, and the chart remains very bearish with a gap and trap. But you also have to give credit's due. Good to see that that purple line not only held, but also produced somewhat of a bounce upwards. And that's what makes this level here very, very important going forward as an area of support down here at 85 cents. And I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down here to 85 and then just continue on down, all of a sudden that would be putting the price at levels that are essentially where they were before the big move happened. Now, not quite, so that's why I'm saying it wouldn't be a total train wreck. But yeah, you don't want to see the price drifting back into these areas of the chart. Whereas on the flip side, if something like this occurs, where the price comes down here and once again, is able to maintain before starting to work its way back upwards, at least at that point, you'd have a situation where you have lows right here, you'd have lows right there, you'd have lows down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, then overall, you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. Like I said, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as that 85 cent mark. So yeah, today in and of itself, rough day with the gap and trap, but big picture chart does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher low. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.